Let's create a captivating underwater animation in Adobe Animate, following these simple steps from a blank canvas to a finished short video. First, launch Adobe Animate and start a new document. Choose your desired frame rate, like 24 frames per second, and set your stage size. I'm using a standard HD resolution here. Then, let's customize the layout to where the panels are best suited for you to use. Time to design our aquatic characters. We will be starting with a simple fish, using basic shapes like circles and rectangles. The tools, the fill and stroke panels, are your best friends. Use the shape tools to create the body, fins, and tail. Adjust the colors and strokes. Experiment to find the style you like. Animate's tools allow you the freedom to create exactly what you want, so unleash your artistic skills. Now, add the background elements, the seaweed, and the bubbly water. These are created the same way. Position the fish and other elements on the stage. You can add multiple layers. One for the water, one for the background, and one for the fish. It's time to animate. Create keyframes in your timeline to define your animation start and end points. For simple movements, like a fish swimming, add keyframes and slightly move its positions. In between the keyframes, Animate will fill the frames for the movement needed. You can adjust the speed and smoothness of the movement by adjusting the keyframes on the timeline. Finally, export your animation as a video file. Choose your desired format, such as MP4, and your animation is ready to be shared. This process can be used for all kinds of aquatic animals for a short animated film.